Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. And if you like this look, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new upcoming videos, and share with your friends and family. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button and don't forget to hit the notification bell, where you will get notified each time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much, and for my old subscribers, thank you. Alright, to achieve this look, we will need some FREETRESS hair. You have the Faux Locs and edge control and FREETRESS braid. Then you want to go ahead and pat the hair. Just do section by section. She has a long hair. No matter how long or short your hair is, you can definitely achieve this style. I want to go ahead and apply some edge control just to keep the shine and keeping everything neat and clean. I'm gonna be showing you guys the 3 different ways you can add extensions to the hair. This is the first method. You can just start at the beginning from the roots and add the extension as you braid. For the first method, I didn't cut the FREETRESS hair, so I just used the same length that came in the pack. You just want to braid it all the way until you get to where her hair stops. And for this part, I didn't fast forward it, so this is just the normal speed that I left, so you guys can actually see how I'm braiding the hair. After you braid it all the way till you get where her hair ends, then you can knot it at the ends just to make sure you secure it and that it doesn't unwrap. For method number 2, you just want to braid just her hair. So you just braid the hair until you get to a certain point, then you can start adding the extension. For this part, I just add the extension as I braid. For method number 3, I just braid the hair all the way until I pass the middle of her hair. It's like going towards the end, then I add the extension. So this is just 3 ways you can add extensions to the hair. And if you would like to see a close-up on how I braid, just leave a comment on the comment section below, and I'll do just that for you guys. Alright, so this is the finished product of all the braids. So this is what it should look like when you're done with the braiding. Alright, so for the crochet part, I kind of reduced the speed so you could actually see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys the individual crochet method. Alright, then you want to insert the crochet needle into the hair. Like you're going to pass it in through inside the hair with it all pushed down all the way until you get to the tip, the root of the hair. Then you want to grab the braiding hair that you did and then pass it through the needle, and then you're going to pull it through. this is the finished product. Tell me what you think, and if you like it, just give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, share. Guys, let me tell you, this is the best way to do it because it looks so real. The style came out so perfectly. It doesn't even look like it was crocheted, it looks like it's actually her hair. So I was kind of feeling it, and she loved it. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and God bless you all.